I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with y'all? It's Big Boss coming back with another video, and in today's video I kind of want to show y'all tips on how to purchase fragrances. Okay, you know these fragrances cost so much, but they cost different prices based off which store you get it from. So I want to show y'all tips on how to buy in fragrances so you won't pay too much, right? So we're gonna start off with just creases because you know it's a fragrance that everybody know about, and why not tell y'all how I purchase creases? So the first thing I want y'all to do is, as you can see, I'm gonna go to the website, but as y'all see, this is the Creed website. So the prices on here is what the fragrance start out costing. Okay, so as you can see, for a 100 ml bottle, it's $495. So the same bottle I got is $500 on a actual website. 50 ml, $365, and for a small little 30 ml is $265. Now look how small this bottle is. That price is ridiculous. All right, ridiculous. So you always want to check out the price of whatever fragrance you want to buy from the actual fragrance website if they have one, and that's what I'm doing right now. And you see the price is $495. Now you write that down. You just remember it. Now that you know that this price is $495 for 100 ml, that's your starting point. Now you want that price to go down from here. So the next websites you want to go on is the stores, like the retail stores, like Sephora, Dillard's, them type of stores, Macy's, and just see if they got a sale going on. They might not, but right here I just pull up Dillard's. Okay, and as you can see, now I'm on the Dillard's website. For the 100 ml, which is 3.3 ounces, it's the same price, and they don't got no sale going on. So that means you do not want to purchase it from a retail store. You're not gonna benefit. So the next phase, after you check out the prices from the official website and then the retail stores, you go to the discounters. Now my favorite discounter website is fragrancenet.com, and as you can see, they have creases here for 100 ml, not a tester, but like 100 ml. Look at that price with the coupon. They got a sale on their website, 37% off. Click here, right? I clicked it. Check that out. You see what they say? Retail price $495, but price with the coupon basically $300. So you saving what, $200? You want that? Okay, that's great. That's like really good. So you know, just write down that price. Write it down and be like, okay, I can get creases for $292, basically $300. That's like really good. And y'all can kind of see that if you would have bought it from the Creed actual website, you would have just been paying more money for no reason, right? So if that price is still too much for you, what I do, I go on Facebook Marketplace. You see, these are the creases on Facebook Marketplace. You see somebody is selling unopened creases. Look at the box, unopened, and look at his stars. He got 4 stars. That means it's probably not fake. Look at that. That's the bottle. That's the box too. I remember that box because I still got it somewhere in the closet. So he is charging $180. You kind of see what I'm saying? Facebook Marketplace, you could buy it from somebody else that probably bought too many of them, or you don't even want to know where he got the bottle from. Like, we don't ask questions. Like, if that's the real bottle, I don't care where you got it from. If it's $180, that's way better than, look, $495. Come on now, that's ridiculous. So you could go on Facebook Marketplace, right? Now, let's say you on Facebook Marketplace, you see a bottle that's $180, right? The next place I will go on is eBay. You see? Now eBay, a little iffy. You see these prices? Look, creases for $109. That is just crazy. It don't make sense. It's like, why does it only cost $109 all the way from $495? You saving what, $400? But I know you kind of thinking like, but what if the bottles is fake? Look, eBay has buyer protection. Okay, so you gotta make sure the buyer protection is under any bottle that you purchase. And then if it is a fake bottle, you can send it right back to them and get your money back. Sometimes they'll even let you keep the bottle because if it's fake, they don't want you to send it back to the person so he can resell it. They'll just have you keep the bottle. You get what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? Facebook Marketplace, cheap. eBay, cheap. Now check this out. Now imagine you don't even got $109. You can just get a clone of the fragrance. You forgot about that, huh? You can go get Club de Nuit. You can go get Aeromoth's Club de Nuit Man Intense. So check this out. Look at this, man. You can get Creed Aventus for $29.60. Now it's not Creed Aventus, but if y'all want the smell of Creed Aventus, y'all can buy a clone for $30. So we went from $495 to smell like Creed Aventus all the way down to $30. You get what I'm saying? So that means if you ever got a fragrance that you want, just see if it's a clone version of it. So if you want Baccarat, type in Baccarat clone. It's probably a clone of it. So, all right, y'all. That's kind of like the end of the video. I just wanted to get y'all to not spend too much money on these fragrances. All right. I don't want y'all getting ripped off. Okay. I'm Big Boss. Real quick video. I love y'all. And I'm out.